going to be bumps on the way. There are going to be a lot of things that's going to make you feel you have to switch in the lights upstairs. Meaning you got to turn off the light bulbs. And again, man, this is just something that I found out a little bit later in my life, but then it is something that helped me a lot to switching the light bulbs in my head. So guys, come to this channel from time to time. All we want to do is to share knowledge, to share experiences from people that are out there doing whatever they're doing to achieve results, so that you can be able to be inspired. So let's do this together as a team. Get out of your comfort zone, be careful, look at life from a different perspective, from a different angle. Challenges are always going to be there, but you have to get up on there. You have to make sure that you really put in the work, and at the end of the day, when you start seeing results, then you'll be very grateful for life. So once again, guys, all I'm saying is get off, start attacking those dreams. This is a new year about to come. All of us know 2024 is coming. So all of us always make these resolutions. I want to be this, I want to be that. But at the end of the day, you have to get off the seat and go get those things. So together, let's go get those things. Let's 2024 be a game changer for everybody. Let's achieve results. Let's achieve those things that we want to achieve. You might know what you want to do, but if you don't go out there to do it, then you're going to miss the point. So 2024 is not about resolutions, it's about actions. So let's go out there and make our dreams come true and be grateful for life. Again, guys, it's not going to be easy. When it gets tougher, it means you're on the right track. Overcome that obstacle, and so you keep going in life, because there always will be something in life, in every stage of your life, that know how to conquer those things. So it makes you a better person at the end of the day. So this was Kobo channel. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, tell your friends, tell people around, so we can grow together as a community and make that great change. Thank you guys so much. We love you all, and therefore let's make sure this channel goes to the next level.
And what's the message to people? Personal message, 2 minutes, for people, all over the world, 2024. What should they be thinking about? What should they be aware of? Can you please, just give them some from your experience,
Right.
Because we are not just talking, you're
Right.
doing it by experience.
Right.
Can you please share to the world,
Right, so again, I will go by saying that first and first, it's not just all about acquiring knowledge. We have all these platforms where we have good people trying to tell us what to do, but at the end of the day, you got to go in yourself to begin to find yourself. So once as you find yourself, get out of your comfort zone, because if you take all that knowledge and keep it, you're not growing, you're not living, you're in a trap. So you got to get out of that trap, which is called your comfort zone, and begin to address life in a different angle, in a different perspective. For me, my changes was I acquired somewhat knowledge, but I wasn't doing it. I wasn't putting it in practice. So once I started putting those in practice, I started living life, because I'm achieving these things that I'm achieving right now, and I'm feeling great about myself. But it wasn't easy. It was difficult, but now you have to switch. That mental light, that bulb in your head gotta come on. When it comes on, any obstacle that you meet your way, you gotta address it. Again, challenges are coming to test you, they're not coming to kill you. So if you find any situation where you think this thing is very difficult, I can't get out, wake up, address it head on, look at it from a different angles, address that situation and try to make sure that you overcome it. Once you start overcoming obstacles, you become better. Remember, I was just gonna quote just a little scripture right here.
Yeah.
It said, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death.
Woo!
Now remember, you're walking through the valley of the shadow of death, but it's not yet there. Meaning you're walking in that shadow, there's always a hand that is overlooking everything around you that's going to help you to walk through it, because at the end of the tunnel, there is a light. So we got to make sure that we keep 2024 active, busy, going out there, coming to Kobo channel, growing together, learning. Most importantly for me, my part, go out there and do the things that you got to do. Don't keep it. Don't stay still. Don't take knowledge to yourself. Spread the word. Go out there, achieve, and together we're gonna get what we gotta get. So again, I love my brother. I love everything that this channel is doing. I love the message. It's all about personal growth. That's the main thing. Let's work together and let's make 2024 great.
Thanks, man.
Yeah, bro.
Share, this is, I'm going to send you some new shit.
50-50 Kobe.
Say one time.
50-50 Kobe.
Say it one more time.
50-50 Kobe.
Yes, man. You heard it, man.
You got it.
Thank